Good morning, dears. I hope you all are very fine. And today's GK class is I'm dealing with assignments. Okay, so page number 36. All of you take page number, and this is somewhat revision like that. Okay, till now, what I have taken, I'm going to revise some questions. Okay, dears. So please, all of you take page number 36. So, first one. Who is the principal of Harry Potter School? Who is the principal? Already we learned this. Professor Albus Dumbledore. So, you have to write Professor Albus Dumbledore. Second one. Name the 30-meter statue on the Corcovado Mountain in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, which is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. So, which is the new 7 wonders of the world? Christ the Redeemer. Christ the Redeemer. Third one, which former president's birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India? We all know the right answer is yes, very good, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. So, you have to write Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Next one, who became the President of India in 2017? Ramnath Govind. The right answer is Ramnath Govind. Then fifth one, what is the color of the highest degree of karate belt? Very good, black. Black. We have to write there black. Then sixth one. Sixth one, name the species of fish that can swim backwards and has a thick coating of mucus which enables it to survive on land as well as in water. Eel. E-E-L. Name the species of fish that can swim backwards and has a thick coating of mucus which enables it to survive on land as well as in water. Eel. Seventh one. Where is the Golden Gate Bridge located? Golden Gate Bridge located in San Francisco. All remember this? San Francisco. Then hammerhead sharks usually swim in schools during the day and become solitary hunters at night. So in pools, hammerhead sharks swim in day and become hunter at night. Ninth one. The Pieta is a marble sculpture of the lifeless body of Jesus Christ in Mother Mary's arms. Mother Mary's arms. It was sculpted by Michelangelo. So we have to write Michelangelo. Spelling is Michelangelo. 10th one. Where is the air cleaner for us to breathe? In India or in Iceland? The right answer is Iceland. Have you all written, dears? Yes? Shall we move on to the next one? So, the next one is assignment 2. Okay? So, first one is true or false. True or false? Meat contain fats, protein and vitamin. Meat contain fat, protein and vitamin. Yes, it is true. Next one. In 2020 cricket, does the power play session end after 6 overs? And or the fielding restriction relaxed after that? So the power play session end after 6 overs in 2020. Is that right? All boys know. Yes, girls also nowadays watching crickets. Yeah, yes. So the right answer is yes. Third one, name the folk theatre that is popular in Maharashtra. Its name is a Persian word meaning fun, play or spectacle. Yes, the right answer is Tamasha. Tamasha, Tamasha. Fourth one, which legendary music director and singer was nicknamed Pancham? Pancham. Which legendary? R.D. Burman. R.D. Burman. Fifth one, which great Indian writer wrote about 250 short stories in Hindi and Urdu that were compiled into a publication called Manzarowa? Which great Indian writer? Who is he? Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand. Next one. Rabindranath Tagore was to Bengali and English as Subramani Bharati was to Tamil. Next one, seventh one. Name the organ groups to which these body parts belong. Lungs, kidney and retina. Respiratory system. RESPIRATORY. Respiratory system. SYSTEM. Then eighth one. Where is Shalimar Bagh located? Srinagar. 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 Then ninth one. Which writer created the literary character Kimball O'Hara or Kim? Which writer created this character? Rudyard Kipling. Next one, who am I? Okay, I have a long dagger-like bill. My name sounds like an emperor who can catch living things that swing. Am a very good kingfisher. Am a kingfisher. Have you all written, dears? Now you all are remembering. Am I right? We learned all these things in previous chapters. Yes? Are you remembering, dears? Yes. So keep on learning, keep on reading. So GK is very, very important for higher classes, or if you are attending any exams also, you will be asking these kind of questions only. So better always keep learning. Okay, dears? Okay. Next week we are having exams. So best of luck. All of you write well and have a nice day, dears. Thank you.